So this is the opening to my closet, and up here is the attic. Now the house is pretty small, so the attic is pretty small, but it's pretty big for what I need it for. I'm actually standing fully up here, and I can get up to here without an issue, up to this stud here. So that's pretty good. Obviously I don't need to go in all that way, or whatever it is. If it's finished, I can probably use that for storage or whatever that is. Maybe make something nice. But this is what I did. I got a wire in all the way from the basement and running it through, and that's the junction box. So I've got 3 knockouts here, and this is the main line that's coming up, and then I'm going to take one out for outlets and the other one out for lights. I'm going to set up a few lights here and there, trying to maybe, like, you know, come up here and then put up some lights here maybe, and try to light this thing up. And then we also have to worry about ventilation and all that, heating and cooling and all that stuff like that. So that's later, but I just need some light here so I can work here nicely, so I can get those done. And it's pretty dusty up here, obviously, and, you know, really rough work here and there from when I did some lighting here and all that stuff some time ago. So gonna have to fix all that up, put subfloor in, and then obviously go from there. But this is what it looks like, and this is the intro or the start video of this attic build. So I'm showing you guys this is exactly what it looks like, and we'll see how it actually ends. I'm not really that good at anything, so we'll try to see if we can actually get this nicely done and make this place a little nicer. Now I can obviously I can't make, you know, bring huge things in through this, because this opening is a little bit smaller than my closet here, and there's a light underneath this thing, so I don't really have too much room to play around. But whatever I do here, I gotta, you know, do this into pieces. Like, even if I bring gravels here, they have to be small pieces so I can fit through those and then do this. So this is gonna be tough. It's gonna be hard. Even the subfloors and all that, everything gotta be in pieces, and then I gotta put things all together. So yeah, this is something that you do when you build a house, but I guess they didn't finish. But it's time for me to finish this, so let's see how this goes. This is probably gonna be taking really long. This is gonna be a side project that I'll be doing along with anything that I do. So, you know, here and there I'll do this, and this will be in a whole playlist of its own, so you guys can keep coming back and check in with what's going on. There's a lot of spider webs and everything, but this is the light that I have here, the work light. That's what I'm using to help me out here. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Just gonna bring the wire in and you know, get electric done first. Electrical always, you know, has to be inside the stud. Then we get in insulation, put that in, or maybe we can even leave this open and paint this up if I'm not worried about too much about insulation and all that. And then that way I don't really have to touch anything up here, and then just worry about the flooring, which would be easier that way. But we'll see how that goes along the way.